Container plantings add a crowning touch to the summer garden. Filled with plants that bloom for weeks, they enhance porch, patio, and entryways alike. With containers in close proximity to living areas, any deer damage quickly becomes an eyesore. One way to avoid this is to choose deer-resistant plants for your container gardens. Here are some top choices that fit the bill. Tall, erect plants, often referred to as thrillers, add vertical interest and a focal point in container gardens. Among the best deer-resistant thrillers are the taller varieties of salvia. They're easy care and bloom from late spring until frost. Once established, they're drought tolerant. Another low-maintenance thriller is lavender. Its intense scent calms and delights people, but turns deer away. All it asks is full sun and a good drainage. Another easy thriller that deer avoid is allium. Dramatic balls of bloom rise on allium's erect stems. Like salvia, heights vary by variety, so choose one that's appropriate for the pot you're planting. Spillers, as their name suggests, cascade over the sides of containers, softening the edges and adding dimension to the planting. Trailing varieties of verbena are a good deer-resistant choice, especially for warm climates. A sun lover, verbena is both heat and drought tolerant. For another excellent spiller that deer avoid, try trailing varieties of vinca. It's disease-resistant, heat-tolerant, and prized for both flowers and foliage. Creeping Jenny, also a deer-resistant spiller, grows in both sun and shade and thrives on neglect. The gold-leafed varieties can brighten up your container garden. Filler plants round out container plantings by bridging the space between thrillers and spillers. Marigolds offer one excellent option, blooming in light shade to full sun with little care. They not only deter deer, but also destructive insects like aphids and whiteflies. Dusty Miller has a velvety texture that deer dislike. It's drought tolerant and does best in full sun and cool temperatures. The silvery foliage offers an ideal backdrop that makes nearby flower colors pop. Finally, lantana makes a superb filler or spiller, depending on the variety. It grows in light shade to full sun and prefers a hot, dry site. Deer dislike it as much as butterflies adore it. These are a few of the very best choices for deer-resistant container plants. For an extra measure of protection, or if you want to grow plants that deer tend to browse, use Bobec's Deer Repellent. It's rated #1 in independent tests, doesn't wash off, and is totally safe for children and pets. For more garden inspiration and tips, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.